actually like the real scene where everything you have is an object. Okay, so how to add an object? Firstly, go and add, then go to primitive save. Then from here there are different options like plane, disk, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. I will add a cuboid. Okay, now you can see you can change the x, y, z values of the cuboid and dynamic properties, material density. For but for now I will just press OK. Okay, now you can see this box, this cuboid. So if you double on hierarchy, if you double press on its name, then you can change its name, and after writing anything press enter, its name is changed. So you can change its name, but if you want to see its properties, anything on this hierarchy, if you want to see the properties, you will click on the symbol. You will click on the symbol. When I click on the symbol, this scene object property came. So we will firstly talk about this adjust color. So adjust color is used for adjusting the color. So I use the first option, and now this is the RGB values, red green values, combination of them decide which color will be coming. Like if I put red completely and pull it down, it's going to be red color like this. So there are other options of this, you can play with them. Okay, there are many options. You can also make body opaque, means transparent. Okay, so this scene object property only comes when the object is clicked. Now look, object is not clicked, so it's not, you can't change anything on this. So you have to click on the object. Look, now you can change. So over here, now we will also talk about view geometry. So what is geometry? So look, if key proportion is kept, then everything is going to change in proportion. Like if I make it 2, every other x, y, z became 2. Now it became so big. But I remove the proportionality, and if you want to undo it, there is an option called undo over here. I just press it, undo this, then again. Now this time what I will do, I will remove this proportionality symbol, and I will only change in x direction. Okay, now I apply this. Which was the x direction? On the right you can see this x, y, z. This red color represent x, means this was the x direction. Okay, this is changed. Now this is also scaling factor. Like if you on y, if I scale it to this value, then this position will be multiplied this by this much value. Okay, if I make it twice, then y value is multiplied by twice. Okay, so this is simple. Now next and most important thing, dynamic properties. So body is responding and body is dynamic. So two things that every body has. First one, about this CG, center of gravity, every body has a weight. And the second thing, every body react to the ground or any other body nearby. If it's a body over here, then it will react with it. But now there is no body, so it is reacting with the ground only. So first one, this option, body responding, represent this reaction. Okay, and the second option, this is weight. Then when I make this body dynamic, then it will have a weight. If I remove this option, then it will, weight won't be there. If I remove this body responding option, then it won't respond to the surface. Okay, I will show you it use. So what we will do, we will go on this, and if you want to move anything, then you have to go on this option, object shift. I want to move it. Now this option comes, I want to translate in z direction. You can see z is upside. So I will select the Z, select the body, and I will move it upward. Now I will show you the benefit of this option, this dynamic properties. Now if body is dynamic only, then it will have the weight, but it will not react with the ground. I will show you. Let me play this then. So it just went down, had the mass, that's why it went down. Okay, but it did not react with the surface. So supposingly if it has responding, then it will go and react with the surface. Okay. If I suppose now if I remove both the options, neither it will react with the ground nor it is going to have a weight. So it will be going to be flying over here. Now if I play this, look, it's like this one over here. Not doing any of the things. It's just floating on the surface. So these are the very important options that we are going to use lot, a lot when we are working on robotics. Okay. So this mechanical things you should understand. So that's it for this video.